Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add WordPress menu icons in your WordPress site. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you'd like to use. It will simply take you to the browser, then simply type in www.wordpress.com, then click on enter. After that it will simply take you to the login page, and from there you have to just simply put in your login credentials, and then it will simply take you to this page. From here, what you need to do is simply click on the edit side option here in the right hand side, and it will take a couple of seconds to get loaded. Here you can see that the page is already loading. From here, what you need to do is simply click on the navigation bar from here, and once you're in the navigation you have to choose which navigation they would like to use. So let's say I'd like to go for this one. Then here you have to just simply click on the three dot, then here you have to just simply click on the edit icon. And once you're here, what you need to do is simply add a tab from here. Here you can see that we have already a tab, and we can just simply click on the plus icon to here, and here you can see that you can easily add a tab, and here you can see that the menu is already added. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.